Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this is a video a lot of you have been waiting for. What car have I got? So yeah, I'll show you guys now. So people that previously know me know I had a Fiesta ST before, and ever since I sold it, I haven't such regret it, but I have missed it quite a bit. But yeah, so I've got a Fiesta again, but I've gone for the ST200 this time, and this one is modified. It's lowered and got Bowler CSRs on it, maxed and rear diffuser, mountain exhaust with a decat. I'm not sure what decat. And then as you can see, there's a Puma Street badge, but I'll get onto that. It's lowered about 50mm. It's got an R-Sport 400 intercooler on it, I think that's what they're called. Oh yeah, and maxed bonnet vents. I'm not really a fan of those bonnet vents. Not sure if I'm going to keep them, but now I'll show you under the bonnet. As you can see, it's got an ITG MTC induction hose, R-Sport crossover with this Puma Speed upgraded hose. So if you know, you'll know about this. Upgraded boost pipes, hot side and cold, I think. But yeah, so this car has actually an X47R hybrid turbo. I'm not too sure what the power is at the moment, but I will definitely be taking it down to Gareth at Selfworks for him to check over the car and make sure everything is alright, and then do any tweaks or change anything that he needs to. But it does have a forge blast valve on it, so which is the best blast valve for these turbos from what I've learned from the group chat I'm in with Gareth and the rest of the boys. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. It's a car that a lot of you probably wouldn't think I would have got again, but at the same time, if you've had a Fiesta ST, you'll know how good of a car they are. They're not to everyone's taste, as there is a lot of them, but they are awesome cars to have, like out of the box. And this with this hybrid turbo is just something else. But I've already picked up some bits this evening. Oh, it's got a smooth panel as well. I already picked up some bits. I've got TRC chin lip, eyebrows, and some gloss black mirror caps. So I will be fitting them in a video very soon. But yeah, here's the runner again. My steering lock is in use again, and also this car has got a Viper alarm, which is handy. As people know, these things get stolen pretty easy. Also, for people that don't know Fiestas, as I said, it does have a stage 3. Yeah, the car is stage 3 with an X47R hybrid turbo from Puma Speed. The car should be running around 315 to anywhere above that, up to about 330. I'm not too sure. Like I said, the car will be going to Stealthworks, so it will have like a health check, probably a service and a few other bits, and probably go on dyno. Then I will know what it's running, but I'll obviously make a video for that. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.
Yes.